Abundance Stock Advisors. Let's make money.
Hello friends, welcome to the 21st English episode of our Brahmastra series. To get notifications on all future episodes, please subscribe to our channel and press that bell icon. So the Brahmastra for today is, you should purchase stocks like you purchase groceries, not like you purchase perfume. Let's try to understand what this means. So what do we do when we buy groceries? We see the price of every item and then try to see what value we would get after we purchase it. Example, when we purchase a 60 rupees toothpaste, we know that it would last comfortably for a month. A little better toothpaste, we may buy it for say 70 rupees. When we buy a dozen eggs, we know that they would help take care of breakfast for a week. So every time when we are paying for these little items, we consciously or subconsciously look for a value in them. Can we pay 500 rupees for a toothpaste? Or can we pay 400 rupees for a dozen eggs? Obviously no, because we don't see a value in buying them. We immediately ask the question, why are they so expensive? Friends, do we do this calculation while buying stocks? Okay, so what do we do when we buy perfumes? We tend to choose and buy expensive and glamorous perfumes. Armani, Ralph Lauren, Gucci, CK, etc. These perfumes have stylish packaging and good-looking models market them. We are ready to buy a 100 ml bottle for say 3,000 to 4,000 rupees. We just get carried away with the brand, the bottle shape, color, the hype, style, and we just totally lose our mind. We buy these perfumes and feel glamorous about ourselves. Friends, we are not perfume experts, but common sense tells us that there is no such ingredient in any perfume that would cost for like 2,000 to 3,000 rupees, making the perfume so expensive. So friends, at a broader level, we buy cheap groceries and look for value in them, and buy expensive perfumes without thinking about the value we will get out of them. Friends, caution. Do not have this attitude while buying stocks, Many investors buy stocks as if they are buying perfumes. Many times they buy stocks which are popular, hyped, glamorous, in news, etc. And they buy these stocks at a much higher price. These stocks are unnecessarily overvalued for no good real reason. Investors not even once question why the stock is so expensive. Will they really get any value by paying such a high price? So friends, always buy stocks like groceries, not like perfumes. Remember, all that glitters is not gold. So never forget this Brahmastra. There are many such amazing videos on our YouTube channel. You should definitely watch them. Next week, we will load you again with yet another Brahmastra. Until then, happy investing.